Hello and welcome to today's 2-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the user interface and specifically pop-up menus, because there are various pop-up menus available on your project screen. We've already talked briefly about the tag section pop-up menu, which has various functions relating to your cue buttons. There's also a pop-up menu, I should say, for the actual cue sheet itself. So if I right click on it in a free space, then the pop-up menu allows me to add the various types of cue buttons that I could add to my cue sheet. Down the bottom of the screen here, if I right click on the status bar, I get a status bar pop-up which allows me to hide and show various pieces of information relating to my project. Probably the most important one at this stage is to have show cue button info checked. This simply means that as I hover my mouse over the individual cue buttons, I get information displayed on the status bar relating to that cue button. And the format of this information on the status bar, I'll be going into more detail in a later tutorial. The next toolbar, the pop-up menu is on the toolbar. So if I right click on the toolbar, I can select the size I want the toolbar buttons to be. If you're running out of space on your screen, you could make them small. It defaults to medium. And finally, the pop-up menu on the cue sheet tab bar. If we right click on that, you can see this pops up a menu which allows me to again change the size of the tabs and also to add a new cue sheet. So if I do that now, it will ask me what I want to name the new cue sheet. I'm going to just use it as a dump area for cues that I might want to come back to at a later date but aren't actually involved directly in my show. Click done. And there you see it's added a new blank cue sheet to my project, and I can just switch between the two cue sheets like that. Okay, that concludes today's 2-minute tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed watching and will join me next time.